Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very simple but tasty and delicious recipe, which is fried potatoes with tomatoes. Here I have 4 large potatoes that I'm going to peel and strip into chips. Thereafter, I have for the braising 1 onions cut finely, 3 tomatoes cut roughly, 2 green chilies which I stripped in the center, and half a teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of fine salt, but we will taste our salt as we cook. Thereafter, I have half a cup of oil, and to garnish I have fresh spring onions. Now I'm going to peel my potatoes. Here's my potatoes that I cleaned and sliced it into chips. So here I got it lying in the water till I'm ready to use it. Otherwise it will turn brown. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and I'm going to use my half a cup of oil. Okay, now that the oil is heating up, I'm going to add in my onions. I'll allow these onions to fry up. My onions are cooked out, so now I'm using my half a teaspoon of mustard seed and my 2 green chilies. To this point, curry leaf is optional. The onions and chilies is done along with the mustard seed. I'm just going to throw in my potatoes. And add my salt to it. I give it a good mix and put on the lid. Then I'll allow this to fry for about 10 minutes because it's very soft cooking potatoes. 10 minutes has passed us, but here I have soft cooking potatoes. If you have a little hard cooking potatoes, you have to have maybe half a cup of water for it to cook. And before putting the lid on, I forgot to say I decreased my heat and I had it on very low, and now these potatoes are fried out. Now I'm going to throw in my tomatoes. And without mixing my potatoes, I'm going to cover my lid for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed. I will gently stir in the tomato. We'll give this another 5 minutes and then it's all done. Five minutes has passed. As you can see, my potatoes with tomatoes are done. This recipe took about half an hour, and now I'm ready to garnish with my spring onions. Put my stove off, and then I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely fried potatoes with some tomatoes, and on the side we have lovely roti to go with, and here we have some lovely hot chillies pickle, and it will taste very delicious. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.